Hey, my name is Sam Painter, and today I'm going to talk to you about retrolambda, which is a library that can provide Java 8 functionality to your Java 6 and 7 applications. You can use this to use Java 8 features within Android where you otherwise couldn't, because Android runs on Java 7. So in order to use this library, you're going to have to make some changes to your build.gradle files. There are other ways to do this. You can manually add the libraries, but this is certainly the easiest way. Here, within the project-wide build.gradle file, you need to add this plugins block immediately following the build script block. Within it, you just provide the ID of the library and the version number. After that, you want to go to the module-specific build.gradle. And here, you want to add a compile options block to the Android block. Here, you're simply going to tell the IDE that you want to use Java version 1.8 syntax, because otherwise it's going to give you an error when you try to use a lambda or some other feature of Java 8. Now, specifically within this screencast, I'm going to talk to you about lambdas and the ways that you can use them within your Android projects. So the use case I'm going to describe is simply going to be replacing anonymous inner classes with lambdas. And you can do this, and one area where you often do this is with on-click listeners, or on long-click listeners, or on, view changed listeners, things of that nature. So here you can see within this login activity that when the login button is selected, we're using the login method that we had previously defined. Here, instead of having an anonymous inner class, I'm simply calling the function that would be called within that anonymous inner class. And the same thing occurs here with this on-click listener. I'm simply, rather than creating an anonymous inner class and then starting this other activity with this intent, I have defined a private method on the class to do that. And then I'm just calling that method with this lambda function right here. Here's another example within the compose activity. Instead of having this functionality here that I've defined within send message, instead of having this encapsulated within an anonymous inner class that is just used for the on-click listener for the send button, we can simply use a lambda function to instead call this send message function here. Now, why would you do this? It promotes cleaner code. It promotes a functional style that is safer when it comes to multi-threading, which is something that, of course, happens a lot in Android applications because you never want to block the UI thread. So I hope this was helpful and that you can use lambdas and other Java 8 features in your Android applications going forward. Thank you.